Do you want to know how you can log into your EY Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your EY Payroll account. Go ahead and go to the Google search bar to search for EY Payroll Login. Then click on the first link which appears on your screen. You can see the login portal on top of your screen. Go ahead and write down your username on the first box over here. Then the second step is to write down your password in the second box. After you write down your password, click on this icon and then you can check your password. Make sure your username and password are correct. Then go ahead and click login. This way you can easily log into your EY Payroll account. If your account has been locked or your password is forgotten, these are the links for you to recover your password and to unlock your account. So this was a video on how you can log into your EY Payroll account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.